Guys, today I'm gonna show how you can clean mine filter in the Bosch dryer Series 6. So in the first step we have to remove the bottom cover, just pull it to your side. As you can see, there have the mine filter. If you want to remove out, you have to release the 4 blue elements. After that you can remove the filter. And now we can remove the sponge and clean it under water or with the Dyson. Basically that's it. To put it back, just put inside the filter like before and close the blue cover elements. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.